In every sentence, there could be two parts or two or more as subject and predicate, sometimes phrase or clause. But today's topic is predicate. Okay, so let's first we will look about definition. This is a definition of a predicate. We can say words tells something about subject called predicate. Words that tells something about our subject called predicate. In every sentence we use different subject as a or something, but predicate tells different thing about that actor. As we can say, I am first want to tell you something about subject which we use in different sentences. Subject. Sometimes subject comes first and sometimes it comes at last. Okay, for example, I have a different example. I can say that he has a good memory. Here he you can see and also known already, he is a subject. Here it came first. Okay, but this tells something about subject. Okay, it tells something about subject. Has a good memory. Has a good memory. It is a predicate. This is predicate. Okay. Words, a group of words which tells something about subject called predicate. Okay friends, our second example you can see, watch that I can say here comes the bus. Here comes the bus. Bus is a subject. Anything that we can see is a subject. Subject, okay. And here comes the, this is our predicate, and this whole called sentence. This is predicate. Okay, which tells something about subject. And the third we can write about any city, as I am mentioning a city of Pakistan, like I can say Karachi, okay, is a big city of Pakistan. This Karachi is a subject, and this whole is telling something about Karachi. This is predicate. So friends, thank you so much